And here are both pairs. Can you spot any differences straight away? Hopefully this video helps you. So today we're taking a look at a real and fake pair of the Nike MBAPPE Mercurial Vapor. As you can probably tell, the retail one here is in the box, fake one's here on my left, and this is just to help you at home if you are trying to authenticate your pair and purchase the real thing. So I must emphasize this does not support the counterfeit industry in any way, it's just to help you at home if you are trying to purchase an authentic pair and what you should look out for. So we'll get straight into the comparison. First thing to note, the retail one obviously comes in a box, just a standard Nike silver box. This is what the label looks like, so just pause the screen here and just compare it to yours at home. Just make sure it matches up to this. This is a UK label, so it's purchased from Nike UK, so just make sure it's that. Open these up. So they do come with a boot bag, and it's quite a cool boot bag. It is the Nike Swoosh on the front with this kind of glitch effect in this kind of like orange yellow, I'm going to call it a mango colour, and then the graphics are in like a pink and red. So move the bag to the side. Does come with some paper, and here are the boots on the inside. So close the box, move it to the side, and then the fake one obviously does not come with a box, just comes in this kind of plastic bag. Open this up. And here are both pairs. Can you spot any differences straight away? Hopefully this video helps you. So the first thing to note about both pairs is on the fake one, it did come with this Nike football tag here with a see-through plastic tag attaching, as you can see there. The retail one actually did not come with any tags whatsoever. This is how it came straight from Nike with no tags attached. So it's a clear difference straight away. Just if it's dead stock, easy to notice the difference. Another clear and obvious difference between the two, this is how they came dead stock laced. This is the retail one here. You can see it's dead stock laced all the way to the top, pretty much ready to go and wear. Compare that to the fake one where they just didn't do the top 3 or 4 lace holes. I don't really know why they didn't do that. And also just like look at the shape straight away. Clear difference in shape, easy to see. So on the fake one, on the inside, it comes with a standard Nike boot bag in black, which is just all wrong. This is incorrect. When looking at the upper, this is the retail one here, and you'll know it has that Nike grip knit upper, so it's very sticky, and if I rub my finger over it, very sticky and has like a rubberized texture to it. If we look at the fake one does not have this. This is sock-like. It has no grip whatsoever. You can probably hear the difference. But if I show you up to the camera, hopefully you'll be able to see a clear difference in texture. Easy to see the difference between the two. The retail one has grip knit, the fake one doesn't. So when it gets wet, this one will work, this one won't, and your feet will get very soggy and wet. Spinning the boot to the outside and we look at the swoosh, you can see it has this kind of carbon effect on the retail pair here, which looks really nice, and I do like how it shimmers in the lighting, as you can see there. However, the fake one has just gone for a matte black finish here. There's no shimmering effect to it, no carbon effect. Yeah, this is wrong. It should look like the retail one, as you can see there. You can also see the yellow colouring between the uppers is very different, or the orange mango I call it, is very different in colour between the two. Looking at the heel of the boot, you'll see the Air logo is very bright, almost like an infrared pinky red colour. If I show you the fake one side by side, you can see the colour difference is completely different. It's much brighter on the retail one here compared to that fake one where it just looks a little bit pale and not bright. Also, if you look at the Air text, you can see it has an outline in black and also this kind of like white grey colour. So it just stands out a lot more compared to the fake one where you can see it's just outlined in this kind of faded black colour. It looks totally wrong. On the outside of the boot, you'll see underneath the swoosh it says Air Zoom here. It's a very large text on the retail one and goes underneath the swoosh at the top part. If we look at the fake one on the side, yeah, this is completely wrong. Air Zoom text is very, very small and it's not really in the right place at all. On the inside of the boot, you can see the retail one says grip knit here underneath that mini swoosh there. The fake one actually doesn't say grip knit at all, and that's probably because it doesn't have it, so they just decided not to put it in, which is a little bit weird. But yeah, the text isn't there and the actual grip knit material isn't there either. On the outside of the boot, you'll see the retail one here, you will see these orange lines going horizontally across the boot, as you can see here. The fake one has gone for a different kind of pattern. So they've gone for kind of like squares, horizontal and vertical lines, which is incorrect. So I'll show you the retail one above. and you can see, yeah, the pattern is completely wrong. And this is the same on the inside. Look at the inside of the retail one here. You'll see the lines going horizontal, and you'll see the Kylian Mbappe logo here. If we look at the fake one, the lines are all over the place, and so is the logo. The logo is nowhere near where it should be. It's completely different. Now spinning the boot upside down, taking a look at the sole plate. Clear differences once again. Shame these only came in FG. Would have liked them to come in SG and AG, but they only came in FG. But we can see clear color differences. The retail one here, the air zoom pocket in the middle is in a pink, as you can see here. The fake one, yeah, it's in an orange. It's a little bit more shimmering on the bottom here, but it's completely wrong. And if you look at the orange going around the studs, as you can see, it's much lighter on the retail one compared to the fake. And the back of the boot, the retail one here being in that pearlized white, as you can see there, compared to the fake one, which is kind of yellow with pink studs, which is incorrect. It should not look like that. It should look like this, with the two colors being orange and white, compared to the fake one, which is just completely wrong. Let's take a look inside the boot now. So the retail one comes with paper shoe tree. Oh, actually comes with two paper shoe trees. One's right at the toe box. If I can get this out. And the fake one comes with nothing. There is no paper shoe tree on the inside. Take out the insoles, retail one, and the fake one. Well, there's a huge difference here. The color is easy to see. It's orange on the retail one here, and there's the Kylian Mbappe logo at the heel. Here's the fake one. It's yellow. Kylian Mbappe logo at the heel. It's much smaller and very different, as you can see there. Upside down, the fake one here has a texturized look to it, whereas the retail one, yeah, it doesn't have that, but they are quite close in terms of the yellow color. Hopefully you can see, but inside the boot, you will see that air zoom pocket at the front of the boot, as you can see, with the grip lines there as well to help the insole stay in place. The fake one, it looks like it does have an air zoom pocket, but I'd have to test it to see, but there are no grip lines on it at all, so the insole could slide about. In terms of the stitching at the back of the boot, it's pretty messy on the fake one. Hopefully you can see this if I move the laces out the way. Oh, I'm having a shocker here. There you go. Hopefully you can see it's a little bit messier on this fake one compared to the retail one. But in terms of the shape is all over the place. I'll hold it up from the side. You can see the shape of the boot is very different on the bottom for the fake one compared to the retail one. And I'll put the insoles back in and we'll do a test. We'll do the bend test. I do this on every single video between a fake and a real pair, and we'll see how structurally well made the boot is. So, I don't know which one to start with first, because everyone always complains that I don't bend it enough. Fake one, I've never bent it. This is it brand new. And it, oh my god, look at that. It just collapses right in the middle. I can fold this pretty much on itself. Retail one, never been before. Oh, this one bends at the toe, but I can't bend it in the middle. So the toe bends, as you can see, but that's made for running. But the middle of the sole plate does not bend, so I can only bend the toe. Compare that to the fake one, like, oh, that is so stupid, it just collapses. Yeah, these are not very structurally well made for your feet, and I'd hate to be in a tackle with something that just folds like that. That's crazy. In terms of the differences that occur on the right boot, they're exactly the same as the ones that occur on the left boot that I've shown you. Hopefully this video has helped you if you are trying to authenticate your pair, because this pair is about £280. It's an expensive pair of football boots, but actually this colorway has grown on me so much. I did not like it at the start, but the more I've had it in my collection, the more I like it. Big differences to note: this has grip knit, the fake one doesn't. Dead stock lacing is completely different. The shape of the boot is completely different, and in structural terms, this one is a lot more stable on your foot and has a lot more support compared to the fake one, which just collapses. Yeah, that's not great. Also, all the details are pretty much off, so hopefully this video has helped you. It's pretty easy to tell the difference. But thanks for watching. If you want shorter content, you can go on my TikTok channel now. I'll be doing a giveaway at 80,000 and 100,000 probably. But thank you very much for following and supporting the channel. I hope you have an amazing day.